kind-hearted man takes care of urban bird people, as Sharavanan Krishnamurti from the Indian state of Tamil Nadu witnessed avian folk communities disappear with urbanization. Conserving house sparrow persons became his life's mission. With the help of his Vijitigal House Sparrows Conservation Project and carpenters, he has provided over 900 houses for bird friends since 2019. Mr. Krishnamurti's wife, Uma Maheshwari, and son, Dharan, support him along with volunteers from his charity, Vijitigal Yagam. In urban landscapes, he encourages people to take such actions as planting trees, setting up houses for bird individuals, as well as leaving water and grains for the lovely avian beauties. According to Amuda Gumar, who installed Sharavanan's bird people house at her home, his non-toxic plywood construction has sparked children's interest in avian folks' conservation. All accolades, Sharavanan Krishnamurti, your loving family and all volunteers. May bird person populations in India flourish, while more and more people join to protect the precious ecosystems in celestial wisdom.